Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to log out of Meta Business Suite in 2025. Whether you're switching accounts, sharing a device, or just wanting to secure your profile, knowing this simple process is super important for maintaining your online safety. Let's dive right in and get you logged out in no time. First, make sure you're currently logged into your Meta Business Suite account. You can access it through the web browser on your computer or the mobile app on your phone. For this walkthrough, we'll start with the web version, but I'll cover the app too. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Meta Business Suite website. Log in if you haven't already. Step 2. Once you're in the dashboard, look for your profile icon or picture. It's usually in the top right corner. Give it a click to open the drop-down menu. Step 3. In that menu, you'll see options like Settings or Account Settings. Select that to enter the Settings page. Step 4. Scroll down through the settings until you find the Security or Log Out section. It might be labeled slightly differently based on the latest 2025 updates, but it's typically under Account Management. Step 5. Click on Log Out or Sign Out. A confirmation pop-up might appear asking if you're sure. Go ahead and confirm it. Boom! You're now logged out of Meta Business Suite on the web. If you're using the mobile app, the steps are pretty similar. Open the app, tap your profile icon at the bottom or top, navigate to Settings, and look for the Logout option. Tap it and confirm. Remember, regularly logging out is a smart habit, especially on public devices, to protect your business data. If you run into any issues, double-check that your app or browser is updated to the latest version. And that's it, you're all set. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If you found it useful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.